What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. If you have a pair of French doors in your house, I feel like inevitably there comes a time when one of them is kind of hard to open and one of them is a little too easy to open. So for instance, on this side, we have this door that you really have to yank on it to open it up. And then alternatively, this one, you barely have to tug on it to open it up. And did you know that you can adjust these to your liking really easily, like within less than a minute? Let's show you how. All right, now as you can see here, these are the culprits. These are the door ball catches. And this one on the right here is from the door that is a little bit more challenging to open. And this one on the left here is from the door that is really easy to open. So what we have to do here is adjust the height of these. This one we need to take down, and this one we need to move up. All right, first thing you want to do is grab yourself a pair of needle nose pliers. I have found that these work great for raising and lowering the ball catches. And the reason why is because they fit perfectly into the little slots that we need to get into on the ball catches. Now this is the interior ball catch for the door that is hard to open, and since it's so high, we need to adjust it downward to make the door easier to open. So you simply insert your pliers into those slots and turn clockwise until you are comfortable with the height. All right, and on the other door, since our ball catch is so low, this door is so easy to open, we just do the opposite. We are going to go counterclockwise with our pliers once we have them in the relevant slots. Let's get them in there and adjust as needed. All right, so after those adjustments, here's a quick look at what those ball catches look like on the top of the doors. And of course, you'll want to test to determine if you are happy with the results. So for the one that was a little hard to open, it's a good amount of resistance. And then the other one where it was way too easy to open, also a good amount of resistance. Thanks for watching, everybody.